Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive into the nitty-gritty of personal finance and the economic trends that impact your wallet. Today, we're tackling a big topic. Is the housing market going to crash? Spoiler alert, the data tells a different story, and I'm here to lay it all out for you. First off, let's set the stage. You might have seen videos popping up all over claiming that the housing market is going to be in freefall. But hold on, let's look at the facts. According to recent data, the median sale price of a home in March was $420,500. That's up 4.8% from just a month ago. In fact, home prices are not just holding steady, they're climbing. That's not what a crash looks like, folks. Now let's zoom in a bit. Since last month, home prices have increased by over $8,000. Not an opinion, a fact. This rise in prices is happening in the face of inflation, which has remained stubbornly high despite the Federal Reserve's efforts. And they've been at what they call restrictive levels of interest rates trying to tame that inflation. But it's clear, with recent inflation reports coming in hot, the Fed's hands are tied. No interest rate cuts can be expected soon, especially with the rate of inflation reaccelerating. Speaking of interest rates, let's talk about mortgages. The average rate on a 30-year fixed mortgage has recently breached the 7% mark again. This is brutal for new home buyers compared to just a couple of years ago. These high rates, combined with rising home prices, spell out a tough scenario for affordability. Moving on to inventory, there are about 1.5 million homes listed for sale, a slight increase from last year but nowhere near the pre-pandemic levels. We need more homes on the market to really impact prices significantly. And with home sales plummeting, down from last year due to high prices and interest rates, the market is indeed tight. Another key indicator, the percentage of homes selling above the list price. Currently, about 30% of homes are going over their asking price. While this is lower than the peak times of 2021 or 2022, it's still significant and indicates a competitive market. So now, what does this all mean for you? Whether you're buying, selling, or just observing, the landscape is tough. Home affordability has hit record lows, with the median mortgage payment up 11% from last year. And lastly, a lot depends on the Federal Reserve's moves. They were planning to cut interest rates 3 times this year, but with the inflation situation, those plans might change. Keep this in mind. Higher interest rates might persist, making affordable housing a challenging goal for longer. So what do you think? Is the market going to crash? Or are we looking at prolonged unaffordability? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all things finance. Thanks for tuning in and take care.